to Order and click Carrier Manifest. Select one of the orders and click Send to Accounting. A message will appear and say Selected Orders has generated invoice. Next, go to Show Invoice List and select the order that you would like to pass to accounting software. Press the Pass Invoice to Accounting and the system will start fetching your order to accounting software. You could double-check your selected invoice by going back to the selected Carrier Manifest order. The order now will have the invoice number. You also could check the order under your accounting software. Before knocking off the invoice, please make sure you have uploaded the account statement into Payrecon. Then, go to the Business Reports, Paid Orders section. Select the account statement date and press Search button. Next, select the order and click Add All to Customer Payment button. Our system will now pass the payment info into your accounting software. You could check the payment status at your accounting software.